I'll be creating a floral arrangement with vibrant yellow wildflowers resembling goldenrod, beautifully contrasting with purple blooms. I'll begin by gathering the goldenrod, securing them into a bundle for convenience. Following that, I'll enhance stability by inserting 2 skewers through the center. Finally, I'll place the arrangement into the square glass vase. Cut the skewers to match the inner edge of the vase, then firmly press them downward. I prefer trimming the flowers and branches pointing downward as they contribute low energy to the design. Enhancing the colors, I added red crystal beads to the bottom of the clear vase, bringing more vibrancy to the design. Follow up by incorporating additional orange pyracantha into the vase to introduce a broader spectrum of colors. Lastly, I add a few stems of purple flowers randomly to enhance the blooming aspect of the design. Meticulous completion, the design reveals its intricacies. Upon a closer look, the blooming flowers capture attention with their delicate details and vibrant hues. Stepping back to view the arrangement from a distance, it transforms into a mesmerizing spectacle, akin to a captivating firework. Each element contributes harmoniously, creating a visual symphony that gracefully bursts into the air, offering a captivating display of colors and forms. Thank you for tuning in. We appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.